Welcome to Superlink, Shanghai. Technology Co-Pis Ltd, your trusted global partner for advanced industrial cleaning solutions, innovative laser technologies, and high-performance power washers. Founded in 2020 and headquartered in Shanghai, China, Superlink has quickly become a leader in delivering cutting-edge equipment for industries worldwide. Our expertise spans three key areas: air duct cleaning equipment. From kitchen ducts to boiler tubes, our machines ensure efficiency and reliability for HVAC and industrial maintenance. Laser machines, precision cleaning, marking, cutting, and welding with unparalleled performance for advanced industrial applications. Power washers, durable, heavy-duty solutions engineered for industrial-grade cleaning. Driven by a passion for innovation, our R&D team has secured over 20 patents, integrating the latest advancements to deliver energy-efficient, cost-effective, and high-performing products. Superlink's solutions are trusted in over 50 countries across industries like manufacturing, energy, maritime, and more. We prioritize quality and sustainability, adhering to ISO 9001 and CE certifications while adopting eco-friendly practices. At Superlink, we're redefining industrial standards to create a cleaner, more efficient future. Choose Superlink. Choose innovation.